Did you know that your drinking water could be linked to kidney diseases? Recent research suggests a shocking 90% chance that it might be a cause. In the US, most community water supplies are treated with chlorine to kill harmful germs. While this process keeps us safe from infections, it leads to the formation of harmful chemicals called trihalomethanes, or THMs. A study published in JAMA Network Open has revealed startling connections between THMs and chronic kidney disease, or CKD. Conducted by following 89,320 women from the California Teachers Study, the research tracked their long-term exposure to THMs from water samples taken over a decade. During the study period, 6,242 participants developed CKD. The average total THM level detected was 5.5 micrograms/L, significantly below the U.S. safety limit of 80 micrograms/L. However, in the highest 5% of participants, levels reached around 58 micrograms/L. What does this mean for your health? Exposure to brominated THMs, specifically, increased the risk of CKD. Those with brominated THM levels above 30 micrograms/L faced a staggering 43% greater risk. Even moderate exposure raised the risk by 23%. In fact, brominated THMs accounted for the majority of CKD risk, followed by uranium and arsenic. The critical takeaway? The dangers of THMs are present even when exposed to levels considered safe. So, how can you protect yourself? It's crucial to check your local water utility's annual quality report to see the chlorine and THM levels in your drinking water. If they're elevated, consider using a carbon-based filter. Many pitcher and undersink systems can significantly reduce these harmful substances. Remember to replace your filters regularly for optimal results. But the most important step is addressing any existing kidney health issues. If you've been diagnosed with CKD, it's vital to explore natural healing methods. For more information and actionable steps, we invite you to check out the details in the description below. Take control of your health today.